All right, guys, welcome back to another stream. Man, Casper today, it is pumping, guys. Casper is back at 12 cents, and it's looking like right now Casper is ready to go back up to 13 cents and much higher. Guys, Casper is moving today. Man, I hope you guys bought the dip for Casper yesterday, as I told you guys, okay, in yesterday's video, even in yesterday's stream. I told you guys, okay, to take yesterday as an opportunity to buy the dip, right? And I really do hope you guys took yesterday as an opportunity, okay, to buy the dip, okay, because today, guys, everything is pumping, right? Bitcoin is moving, okay. A lot of alts are moving, including Casper. Casper right now is moving like crazy. So that is, exactly what I want to talk about for today's stream. Okay, so there is in fact a fair few things that I want to talk about for today's stream. So let's begin, guys. But before I talk about it, okay, I just want to give you guys a little update on what is exactly happening right now with Casper, because Casper is absolutely skyrocketing, guys. This is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, right? It is pumping today, okay? So let me go ahead and let everyone know that I'm live, and then I'll go ahead and start. Just one sec. All right, letting everyone know that I'm live on X. If you guys aren't following me on X, please follow me. I really would appreciate that. All right, so let's begin, guys. Casper. Okay, let's have a look at what Casper is doing today. So look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. We're at the 1 hour time frame, and just look at how much Casper is pumping, guys. Okay, as Casper holders, this is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. I know yesterday was pretty scary, but guys, understand, I literally told you guys this yesterday, okay, to buy the dip for Casper, for Bitcoin, or any of your favorite altcoins, right? Because eventually we're going to see the crypto market, turning back up to the upside. And that's exactly what it's doing right now, right? A day later, here we are, and the market is bouncing back up, guys. Okay, and you also clearly see Casper, okay, is bouncing like crazy today, right? So yesterday, okay, we saw Casper dropping to actually below 10 cents. Okay, yes, we actually saw Casper dropping back down below 11 cents, back down to 10 cents. Okay, and it was pretty scary at that time, right? It was very, very scary, but you can clearly see Casper right now, it's pumping back up. You can clearly see this is like a little V-shaped recovery for Casper right now. So it's looking absolutely amazing for Casper. Okay, it really, really is. It is moving today back at 12 cents. And it's looking like Casper wants to go back up to 13 cents. Okay, so Casper is moving. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, you guys can just clearly see, okay, that Casper is gonna go back up to 13 cents where it was, okay, in early of January, right? The 4th of January this year in 2025, that was the last time we saw Casper at 13 cents. And it seems like right now, you guys can clearly see, okay, Casper is ready to go back up to 13 cents. And of course, back up to even 18 cents, right, where it was in December, right, early of December, a month ago. So Casper is ready to move, guys. Okay, today, Casper, okay, it's up over 10%, okay, 12.3%, guys. Like, Casper is absolutely moving, like, compared to all these other altcoins. Let's have a look here, right? Other alts, right? XRP is up 4%, okay, BNB is up 1%, okay, Solana 3%, Dogecoin 6%, okay, Cardano over 3%, Avalanche 2%, right, Shiba Inu 2%, Chainlink 3%, HBAR 5%, Polkadot 1%, Bitcoin Cash also 1%, okay, Hyper Liquid, okay, 9%, right? But Casper, right? Look at Casper, 12%. Like, Casper is outpacing all these other altcoins, guys. Okay, Casper is the king mover today, right? It's absolutely moving. It's up over 10%. It is moving, guys. Okay, look at this. Casper is now at number 41. Okay, we have seen Casper at number 45, even sometimes at 47, but now it's all the way up to 41, right? So Casper's moving today, guys. Okay, this is absolutely amazing to see for Casper. Okay, the volume, of course, it's pretty high. Okay, $148 million, almost $150 million. And the market cap for Casper is now above 3 billion, of course, right? It's now sitting at 3.2 billion. Okay, this is absolutely amazing to see. Now the hash rate for Casper, okay, 1.31 exahash. Okay, so it's gone up a little bit, which is great to see. So looking amazing today for Casper, right? It's up over 10% today, looking absolutely beautiful for Casper. You know, this is truly the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. And I told you guys that, you know, Casper, okay, is going to pump eventually, right? We're going to see a massive move coming for Casper, okay, eventually. And here it is, right? So understand, guys, okay, I truly do hope you guys, you know, took the opportunity yesterday where we saw Casper dropping all the way down to 10 cents, right? So yesterday we saw Casper slowly dropping down to the downside and actually eventually reached as low as 10 cents, right? So it broke 11 cents. It kind of went all the way down as below, you know, 10 cents, right? So I hope you guys took this opportunity to buy. You know, when we saw this dip, okay, I really do hope you guys took that as an opportunity to buy more Casper, because right now you guys clearly see Casper, okay, is in fact gaining back its momentum and it's absolutely skyrocketing, right? But if we go to the weekly time frame, you guys can clearly see Casper is still far off from going back up to, you know, 18 cents, okay, where it was back in, you know, December just last month. But don't you guys worry, it will eventually go back up to that level, and of course back up to 20 cents, okay, and of course reaching a new high. We know, guys, Casper is going to be reaching a new high very, very soon, so be ready for that. But so far, okay, Casper today is looking absolutely amazing, right? It really, really is. Now, I want to give you guys an update on this real quick, okay? So, you know, the 10 blocks per second, we know that's being tested right now. So it says here, testnet 11 at 10 blocks per second continues to prove its strength. Pools have completed their testing, such as Humpool Tech and Hero Miners have confirmed that their solution is working and running stable in testnet 11. So everything so far is looking pretty good, it seems like, right? Also says here, while others are testing, Casper's devs are still looking for more apps, wallets, and exchanges to take, you know, 10 blocks per second for a test spin before imminent Crescendo hard fork, right? So absolutely amazing. Okay, it seems like it's it's gonna happen very soon, as I told you guys many times. Okay, Casper will be doing 10 blocks per second. Okay, then eventually it's gonna be doing 32 blocks per second, and of course the big vision is 100 blocks per second. That's gonna happen, guys, right? So it seems like everything is running smoothly for Casper, right? It's looking amazing. It seems like it's going to happen very, very soon, right? So I hope you guys are excited for that, okay, because it's going to happen, right? We're going to see, the 10 blocks per second for Casper, okay? It is coming for Casper, guys, so I hope you guys are ready for that, okay? So Crescendo update is coming for Casper. 10 blocks per second is on the way, and Binance knows it, okay? So as we know, guys, Binance, they are in fact going to be listing Casper, okay? It's not 100% confirmed yet, guys. Okay, but as I told you guys in my most previous video, in yesterday's video, I told you guys, that Binance could be listing Casper on their exchange. Okay, this is also another moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for Casper, right? As I told you guys many times, this was going to happen eventually. Who knows when, but it will eventually happen. And it seems like it's going to happen very, very soon. Okay, the largest crypto exchange out there, is going to be listing Casper. Just think about that. Right? A lot of people that are in fact in the crypto space, they are using Binance. So once Casper is listed on Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges out there in the market, right, we're going to see the Casper price rise like crazy. And this may be a hint, right? Because Casper right now, it's absolutely skyrocketing. This may be a strong hint that something is about to happen for Casper that involves Binance. Just think about that, guys. Just think about that. It is very, very possible, right? So, very, very exciting news for Casper. And yes, we're gonna see 10 blocks per second very soon, and then eventually 30 blocks per second, and then of course 100 blocks per second as well. So I hope, as all you guys, as Casper holders, I truly do hope you guys are ready for that. Right now, I also want to show you guys this, Casper versus the big three, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. and you guys can just clearly see how Casper is much more better than Bitcoin, okay, and much better than Ethereum and XRP, right? So it says here Casper versus the big three goats. Okay, how does Casper fare against the top three cryptocurrencies by market capitalization? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. You ask, well, this chart has that exact answer for you. If temporary prices actions is shaking you off on a once in a lifetime asset, you might not have done enough research to build proper conviction. So you guys can just clearly see, okay, it's showing us here, okay, that Casper, right, the market cap, okay, you know, it's still below 3 billion. Well, right now, okay, it's above 3 billion, right? So the market rank, okay, it's at 43, but now it's currently at 41, as we know, right? Fair launched, okay, just like Bitcoin, okay, Casper was fair launched, proof of work, just like Bitcoin, okay. Nakamoto consensus, okay, security 51% BFT, TPS 3000 for Casper. For Bitcoin, it's 6, okay, for Ethereum, it's 15, okay, and for XRP, it's 1500. Censorship resistant, okay, solves the blockchain trilemma, okay, optical proof of work compatible. So yeah, it's pretty similar to, you know, Bitcoin, right? Casper, like I told you guys, okay, it does work pretty similar like Bitcoin, okay, but Casper is just so much more, you know, unique, okay. And that's why I'm very, very bullish on Casper, and that's why I really do believe Casper is going to be like the next Bitcoin, right? And I'm not saying, you know, Casper is going to be worth, you know, thousands of dollars like Bitcoin, okay, but in a way, okay, it is going to be the next big thing right behind Bitcoin, okay. As we know, Ethereum, okay, is the second largest crypto coin, and it's also the largest altcoin, but I do believe Casper is going to replace that, okay, for sure, from Ethereum, okay. I do believe Casper is truly going to be the next big thing, guys, okay. Like, if you're not bullish on Casper, then I don't think you've done enough research on Casper and how the technology works, because Casper is just so unique, right? Especially with you know, the Ghost DAG, right? The block DAG, it's just so much unique, okay, compared to something like Bitcoin where it has a blockchain, right? Like, you need to really do your own research on Casper, because I don't believe, you know, everyone out there that is not bullish on Casper, right? Like, I don't think they have done enough research, because how can you not be bullish on Casper? How can you not see, you know, the big vision happening for Casper, right? We know where Casper is heading long term, guys. Okay, so it's gonna beat you know, Ethereum and especially XRP, right? And you guys know I'm not a huge fan of XRP. Okay, recently, a couple months back, I did sell majority of my XRP when XRP started to run up. Okay, in November, when I saw that run up, I took majority of my XRP and I sold it, and I instead bought Bitcoin, right? That's what I did with my XRP, okay? So I'm not holding XRP anymore, okay? I still have a little bit of XRP, but I'm going to be selling all of it this bull run, and I'm going to reinvest it into maybe something like Casper for sure, right? Because right now my main focus is Bitcoin and Casper, right? That's what I'm really focusing on for the long term play, right? So that's that. But yeah, I love this because it just clearly shows you guys that, you know, Casper, in a way, works much, much better than something like Bitcoin. Okay, even though Bitcoin, it's, you know, pretty close to Casper, but barely. Okay, even something like Ethereum and XRP, it's nowhere near close to something like Bitcoin and Casper, right? So that's why, guys, I'm buying and holding Casper and Bitcoin for long term, right? Because I know where two of these cryptocurrencies will be heading in the future, right? I don't believe, okay, they're going to be heading anywhere anytime soon, right? They're going to be, you know, here to stay, right? Especially, you know, Bitcoin and Casper. So that is why I'm very, very bullish on both of these cryptocurrencies, right? Now I want to show you guys this, okay, because it says here, after Binance teasing us with the trilemma post, it's time to post some data again, right? Here is a list of Casper prices with market cap. Okay, so these are just rough prices and market cap, right? So I want to share with you guys these prices and market caps for Casper. It's actually very, very interesting, and I will make a separate video talking about this. But you guys can clearly see, okay, if Casper were to, you know, go to 50 cents, okay, the market cap for it will be 11.8 billion. Now, if it were to reach $1, okay, Casper's market cap will be at 23.6 billion. Okay, now let's just scroll down here, okay, because I'm not going to get through all of this because I do want to, make a separate video talking about this. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Let's just go to $6. You just clearly see $6. Okay, if Casper were to reach $6, the market cap will roughly be at about $141 billion, right? Now, if it were to reach $10, okay, and as I told you guys many times, I do believe Casper one day will be reaching $10. So if Casper were to reach $10, the market cap roughly would be $236 billion. Okay, so it is very possible, okay, that Casper can reach these prices of $1 to $3 to $5 to $8 to $10 and much higher. Okay, it is very possible, right? And I'm gonna keep all of this. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about it too much for today's stream. So I will be uploading a video about this tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But I just want to give you guys a little glimpse of this because this just clearly shows you guys where Casper will be heading. Okay, in the future, long term, we know Casper can for sure reach these price targets. Okay, it really can, guys. So understand, all my Casper holders out there, understand where Casper is heading long term. All right, it's gonna reach $1, it's gonna reach $5, it's gonna go to $10 and higher. Right, it's gonna go to $20, even $30. It is very possible. Call me crazy, but it's going to happen. Okay, and I really do believe, okay, the market cap, okay, for Casper will be hitting 1 trillion, just like where Bitcoin was. Right now, Bitcoin's market cap is at what? Just below 2 trillion, I believe. Yeah, right. So I do believe Casper's market cap is for sure going to go up to like 1 trillion one day. Call me crazy, okay, but I really do believe that's going to happen. Okay, and Casper, wow, it is pumping. Look at that, guys. Let's go to the 15 minutes because Casper's absolutely moving right now. Let's just see what happens because it is moving, guys, and it's crazy. It's up 13%, 13.2%, which is insane. Now, what else is there to talk about? Well, I want to show you guys this real quick, okay? So let's see which new layer 1 will dominate in 2025. In my opinion, Casper, the market cap is still 105 of Sui. Sui is already listed on bigger exchanges, so Casper has more catalysts ahead. This is insanely bullish in my opinion. Not to mention, Casper is the only trilemma solver. Choose your winner. Okay, and that's very true, right? So this is going to be very bullish for Casper, guys. Okay, very bullish for Casper. I hope you guys are ready for this, okay, because Casper is going to be the next big thing. And I do believe this year, 2025, this bull on Casper will perform very well. And as we know, this is going to be Casper's first ever bull cycle. Remember, guys, Casper has not went through a full cycle yet. Okay, so this is going to be Casper's first ever bull cycle. And I think it's going to perform very well, right? I really do. Okay, now the evolution of money. Okay, this is eventually going to happen, right? This is eventually going to happen. Okay, so Casper is the evolution of money and Bitcoin. Don't forget about Bitcoin, guys. So I believe, what is this? Is this like a seashell? Some type. I have no idea what this is. I'm guessing it's a seashell. That's what it looks like, and I have no idea what this is. Can anyone let me know like what this is, like in the comments down below? Because I have no idea what this is, guys. But then it's coins, cash, credit cards, debit cards, and then it's Bitcoin and Casper, right? We can't forget about Bitcoin, guys. We know Bitcoin is going to be money one day, right? It truly is going to be money. Same with Casper, okay, for sure. So be ready for that, guys. Okay, this is going to be the evolution of money. We know in general, crypto is going to be used as money, okay, peer-to-peer money transactions, especially Bitcoin, because that's why Bitcoin was created at the first place, right, by Satoshi himself, right? Satoshi Nakamoto. He created Bitcoin for peer-to-peer money transactions, right? And it's completely decentralized, okay, as we know, right? There's no middleman, there's no banks behind it, okay? There's no government controlling it or anything like that. That's why I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, as we all should be, okay? It's the same thing with Casper, right? So that is that. This is going to be the evolution, guys, of money. So be ready for that. And I would just want to give a quick little shout out to Crypto Matt here because he shouted me out, okay, yesterday, right, on X. By the way, if you guys aren't following me on X, please do. Okay, it's just at Mitchell Lim _ okay. But he says, your morning, Casper Legends, make sure you follow me. And check out his YouTube channel. Massive props for the quality and almost daily Casper content. So I appreciate you, Matt, Crypto Matt, for realizing, okay, that I'm doing like daily updates on Casper on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you guys. If you guys are in fact, you know, in Casper, if you guys are in fact even Bitcoiners, if you guys are just generally in the crypto space, subscribe, right? Because every single day, pretty much every single day, guys, okay, I give you guys updates, what's happening with Casper, what's happening with Bitcoin, and what's happening around the crypto space. So if you guys are in fact in the crypto space, please consider subscribing, right? Let's do this together. Okay, let's build wealth together. Okay, because it is very possible. Crypto can change your life, guys. Okay, especially in the long run, right? So that is that. So shout out to Crypto Matt. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little Q&A. So if you guys have any questions, let me know and I will be happy to answer them. So I'll do a little Q&A now and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. And then I'll go ahead and end today's stream. All right. This pump is looking nice. Yes, it is, Adam. 100% it is. It's looking amazing. Casper's up 13%. Amazing. Casper number one? Yes, it is. And it will be number one in the future. And I don't mean that by it will replace Bitcoin, because nothing can replace Bitcoin, right? As I told you guys many times, Bitcoin is always going to be one. It's always going to be king, right? But yes, Casper can be in the second place behind Bitcoin. I believe that's possible. That's a beautiful sight. Yes, it is, Chris. This is, a beautiful sight for sure for Casper, right? It's up, guys. Casper's pumping. I told you guys this was going to happen. It's all about patience, right? Literally. So I hope you guys took yesterday to buy the dip, because you guys just clearly see Casper went as low as below 11 cents, just below 11 cents, okay, at 10 cents. So I hope you guys bought, around this range, even at 11 cents. And who knows, guys, since Casper is pumping this much, okay, yes, there is potential that we're going to see another pullback. Okay, Casper can, go back down to 11 cents, even 10 cents. It is possible, right? Who knows? But it's looking absolutely amazing today for Casper. Yesterday you sold the Casper coin? Hell no, I did. Who the hell would sell Casper when it's dropping? If anyone out there sold Casper yesterday, huge mistake. And if you did, you'll be crying right now, because Casper's up over 10% today. I did not sell Casper. As I told you guys many times, I'm here for long term. Adam says Binance keeps hinting on X. It is going to list soon. Yes, they are teasing us right now. They are truly teasing us. Okay, and I know Binance. Okay, they are probably seeing all these like threads. Okay, and like mentions. Okay, why they should be listing Casper, because I know the Casper community is that strong, and I know that Binance must have seen something, maybe a lot of it. So the word is out there, and they are finally seeing it, and they are just teasing us at this point. They really are. I really do believe Binance is going to be, listing Casper very, very soon. Like I said, it's not 100%, confirmed, right? It really isn't. So we'll just have to see. Casper maxis, yes. We are all Casper maxis. How did you get into crypto and Casper? Well, the first time I heard about Bitcoin, right, was when I was in school. So this was back in 2016, right? And I was on a school laptop, okay? And I just saw, random ads about where to buy Bitcoin, right? You guys see how there's an ad right here? Like right over here. Wait, you guys can barely see it. Right here. You see how like there's an ad right over here, guys? Saying, oh, the next Solana, right? You see these ads popping up. Okay, I saw a similar ad like this saying to buy Bitcoin. I don't know what exchange it was at the time, right? But it was saying buy Bitcoin and that and that and that. And then I was like looking at what is Bitcoin. And I thought it was like a stock market because, guys, at the time, right, when I was in school, obviously I didn't know anything about money, right, or stocks or crypto, obviously, right. In general, I just didn't know anything about money. But then I did my research on Bitcoin and I just didn't know what it was. I thought it was a scam. And then fast forward to 2020, right? I was talking to my friends about having a bet on what the Bitcoin price is. I just mentioned it, right? And we were just mentioning it. And then I looked at the Bitcoin price myself, and it was, man, it was crazy. Because at that time, guys, it was like towards the end of 2020, and that's when Bitcoin started to pump. And yeah, I didn't do anything, guys. I didn't buy Bitcoin. But then, of course, in, I believe, mid 2021, right, that's when I bought. Because, yes, let me just show you guys what I mean. So right over here, guys, okay, back in 2021, yes, we know Bitcoin was pumping. Okay, we know that. Let's get rid of this. Bitcoin was pumping, okay, and then you guys see this drop, okay? I don't know if you guys remember this, okay, but when we had this drop for Bitcoin, right, that's when I bought into Bitcoin, okay? I was going to buy Bitcoin, I'm not going to lie. I had FOMO when Bitcoin was pumping, obviously, right over here. Okay, I had FOMO, guys, and I was like, wow, Bitcoin is pumping. Should I buy in? Right? I was that type. Okay, but then I saw this opportunity, okay, that Bitcoin dropped, right? It had this massive drop, and I took that as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and understand, guys, the funny thing is when I first got into crypto, Bitcoin was not my first ever investment. Believe it or not, it wasn't. At the time, guys, okay, it was Dogecoin, right? Believe it or not, Dogecoin was the first ever crypto that I bought, which is crazy to think about, right? Dogecoin, a meme coin, right? So I bought Doge. Obviously, at the time, in 2021, everyone was talking about Dogecoin. So when I saw that drop, I bought Doge. Okay, did I sell some Doge when it started to pump back up? Yes, I did. Thank God I did, but I still held some. Kind of sad I did. But hey, don't worry. We're gonna see a $1 Dogecoin this bull market for sure. I think that's programmed. But anyways, yeah, I bought Dogecoin and then I bought Ethereum. Okay, it wasn't Bitcoin. I bought Ethereum and then I bought Bitcoin, right? So yeah, when I saw this drop, guys, okay, mid of 2021, I just took it as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin, to buy Ethereum and other altcoins, right? But I was obviously mainly buying Bitcoin, and I'm glad I did do that because I had money saved up, guys, right? I had money saved up. Okay, and I was just sitting there not doing anything, and I'm just glad I invested majority of it into Bitcoin. That's exactly what I did. And I don't regret that at all, guys. Okay, because my plan, guys, the reason why I was saving money is to buy my first ever property. Okay, that was literally my plan, to put a deposit in a house. Okay, but since I saw this opportunity happening for Bitcoin, right, and crypto when it was crashing, mid 2021, I was just like, screw the house. I'm just gonna put into Bitcoin and crypto, right? And I don't regret it at all. That was the best decision ever. Okay, because understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin, investing into Bitcoin is much better than investing into something like real estate. Okay, it really is, guys, because we know Bitcoin moves much more better than real estate. Okay, it really does. Your purchasing power becomes higher with Bitcoin in general, as we know. So that is that. That's why you should really treat Bitcoin like a savings account, right? It has store value. It's a hedge against inflation. I get it. Bitcoin is volatile short term, but long term, it's always going up, right? So it is a hedge against inflation. Okay, and of course, your purchasing power is higher when you own Bitcoin. Like, you will realize when you own fiat, okay, fiat, you will realize that everything around you is more expensive. But when you own Bitcoin, you'll realize that everything around you is more cheaper. Okay, so understand, guys, the power of Bitcoin, why you should own Bitcoin, right? But yeah, that's when I got into Bitcoin. Again, I just wrote it, right? I didn't sell any of my Bitcoins ever since then, guys. When I saw this drop, okay, happening for Bitcoin, I didn't sell any ever since then. And I just kept DCAing, throughout these years, especially in 2022. You guys can look back at my videos back in 2022. That's when I started this YouTube channel, early of 2022, back in March. I was buying, guys, and I was showing you guys what I was buying. I was obviously buying Bitcoin. I was buying, Ethereum. At the time, I was buying a whole bunch of Ethereum. Okay, at the time when it was dropping, Again, if Ethereum dropped quite a bit, as you guys can clearly see, and I was buying things like Chainlink, Solana, right, Cardano, things like that, right. But yeah, that's how I really got into crypto, really. But I was obviously watching other, I came across, crypto YouTube videos right back in 2021. Okay. And then I just, got more hooked into crypto. But that's about it. Imagine I bought Bitcoin back in 2016, guys. That would be insane. Like the first time I ever heard about Bitcoin when I was in high school. But understand, guys, like I said, I didn't know anything about money in general, how money works, right? How investing works, assets and stuff like that. So obviously, like at the time, it was hard for me. You know, maybe if I came across like a YouTube video like Da Vinci, okay, Da Vinci's YouTube video back in 2013. If I came across that when I was in high school, I would have bought some Bitcoin probably, because the way he explained it, right, it just makes sense. But yeah, that's that. That's pretty much how I got into crypto, right? All right, let's see what else is there. I like this. It's really not worth it to sell Casper every time you feel like you're about to sell, think that you're selling your future. Yes, that's very, very true. This is not the time to sell Casper, guys. I mean, this is not financial advice, but personally, guys, I would not sell Casper. Even this boron, okay, if we do see Casper reaching, $1, $2, even $3, I probably won't even sell. Well, I'll probably sell some, maybe like 5%, but that's it. The rest I'm just holding for long term, guys, because I just know where Casper is heading long term, right? It's truly a long term play. Okay, and if you can't, you know, hold Casper for more than 8 years, then you're gonna lose. I'm telling you that right now. There's really no point of you buying into Casper if you can't hold it for more than 8 years. And I know a lot of you guys won't even hold it for 8 years, sadly. Sorry to doubt you guys, but I know a lot of you guys will hold Casper for long term because you understand where Casper's heading long term, right? So that's that. I love this. Casper can't replace Bitcoin, but it can replace Ethereum. Yes, I love that. It can. I 100% agree with you. Okay. Casper cannot replace Bitcoin. Nothing, understand guys, nothing can replace Bitcoin. But yes, Casper can replace Ethereum. That's true. I think that's possible. Call me crazy, but I think one day that can happen. Okay, and if it doesn't, then I do believe Casper's going to be in the top 10 to top 5, even top 3. I think that's very possible, right behind Ethereum. Prediction price for Casper. Well, I've said it many times, okay, but I'll say it again. This year, okay, this born, I do see Casper, okay, my most bearish price over 60 cents for Casper, right? 65 cents to 67 cents. So that's already going to push Casper to a new high. We know Casper's previous high is at 20 cents. So that's going to push it to a new high. So that's pretty good, right? Base case, I think, $1 to $1.50. And my most bullish scenario, my bullish price for Casper is like $2.50 to $3. That's my Casper price prediction for this bull run. Greetings from frozen Germany. You are the best. Thank you. I appreciate that. If Casper one day reaches $10, I want to meet you. I'm going to come all the way to you and we party. Probably. I mean, if I become I said if, when I become a Casper millionaire, right, when I make millions off Casper, I'll probably be in Dubai. Because as I told you guys many times, my dream place to be is in the UAE, right, to Dubai. I want to move to Dubai one day because it just makes sense, right? A lot of crypto investors, even traders are moving to Dubai because it's really crypto friendly there, right? You can actually use your crypto to buy things there, like real estate, cars, watches. It just makes sense, right? It's really crypto friendly there. It's safe there, right? You won't get robbed or anything like that. And it's tax free. That's the main thing, right? It's literally capital tax free there, which is insane. It's like freedom in Dubai, right? So I really want to move to Dubai in the future. So we can celebrate in Dubai if you're down. Ahmed, you should do a retire early with Casper video. Yeah, I would be very, very interested into doing that for sure. So keep a lookout. Thank you for the video idea. I need video ideas too, guys, because imagine uploading every single day on YouTube about crypto, like Bitcoin, Casper. Like, it's hard, you know? It's not easy. So that's a video idea right there. So thank you. In 8 years, will be the new tech. Yes, it will be. Even sooner than that. Sooner than 8 years. This move is indicating nothing. Still 0.95 on cards. Not sure what you mean by that. Gonna move to Dubai as well. All friends went to Dubai. It makes sense, right? Why a lot of people are moving to the UAE, right? Low tax country, right? It's like freedom living in Dubai. It literally is freedom, guys. Because right now, guys, okay, I live in Australia, and man, the tax here is ridiculous, right? It's ridiculous, guys, and that's why I don't want to, take too much profits this year. Because if I do, man, the ATO would just screw me over, and I know I will pay a large sum of tax back, right? So it's pretty ridiculous here in Australia. It is not crypto friendly at all over here. So my plan, okay, is to really just accumulate and hold, and just to move to a low tax country, something like Dubai, right? I mean, there's other low tax countries out there that you can move to, but in my opinion, I think Dubai is the best pick. But of course, guys, okay, before I move to Dubai, I want to experience Dubai first, of course, right? I want to experience it, see if I like it. Okay, and if I love it, which I probably will, I'll move. I used to live there for 1 year, really. And how is it over there? If it's hot, I know Dubai is hot, so because where I live, guys, right, it's pretty hot here. It's pretty humid. So I know Dubai is gonna be hot. That's not an issue for me. But on that, like, it just looks absolutely amazing. You know, the scenery, the city, right? The Burj Khalifa, the exotic cars, right? It's just amazing. Taxes in Germany, 48%. Yeah, it's the same here in Australia. They pretty much take half. So your gains, your capital gains of what you make, they'll take half of it. It's the same here in Australia. It's ridiculous. And that's why, guys, I want to move. I don't want to stay here for too long. When it's $10, probably in the next decade, 10 years, I would say. In the next bull run, it is possible to see Casper at $10. That's less than 10 years. So we'll have to see in the next few years for sure. Next bull run is what, 2029, 2030, somewhere around there. So I think Casper has the potential to reach either close to $10 or over $10. I think that's very, very possible. I might consider retiring in the Philippines. Not bad, not a bad place. In the Philippines, is it tax free there? I'm not quite sure if it is. Thanks for the reply. Of course, no worries. What? My uncle moved to the Philippines to cockfight? What does that mean? What are you saying right now? Are you trolling? I have no idea what that means. Oh. Okay, I see what you mean now. I see, I see. Is this still a thing? I did not know this was actually still a thing. That is crazy. A lot of criminals is hiding in the Philippines. Oh, okay, that's not good. I've never been to the Philippines. I'll probably visit one day. Alright, what's Casper doing? Still holding up pretty well. Not bad. Do you hold any Nocturne? No, I don't. KRC 20 coins, I don't hold any of it. All I do is just buy and hold Casper. I should buy some though, because I do believe those memes will skyrocket this bull run. I do believe that's gonna happen, right? We know a lot of memes will pump for sure. So I do believe a lot of KRC 20 coins that will for sure pump. So I should probably buy some. Are they down? So today it's up 2%. This is up 14%. Not bad. But some are down 7%, over 10%. Some even down over 20%. This one's down over 20%, 23%. But yeah, I should really consider getting into some. Because I do believe they're gonna, pump, perform pretty decently. It's low right now. Yes, it is for sure. These prices, they're gonna, they're gonna not be where they are right now. They're gonna pump. So it's pretty low right now. In terms of price, where do you think it will end at? Is around $10 stable price or higher. I appreciate it. It's a guess for everyone. Just want to know if my 43,000 Casper will retire me at 47. I'm 32 now. That's hard to say. What do you mean by when it will end? Like, are you talking about when the bull run will end? When this bull market will end? Because if you are, it'll probably end in Q3 to Q4. Usually around bull markets, guys, we usually end towards the end of the year. So I would say somewhere around Q4, that's when it will end, if that's what you're trying to ask. Because after that, guys, yes, we're going to see Casper pump. And then, of course, next year, 2026, of course, we're going to enter the next bear cycle. And that's when the bear market will come and everything will be dropping, right? But hey, I don't mind, okay? Obviously, in the next bear market, I'm going to obviously buy more, right? I'm buying now. I'm obviously slowly DCAing in now, right? And I'm still going to, continue to DCA during this bull market. And of course, right, next year, 2026, when the bear market comes along, I'm still going to DCA, and that's when I'm gonna like double down and DCA even more, right? Because that's when the price is just gonna drop like crazy. Casper is brilliant, is not a joke. Yes, Casper is not a joke. It is fantastic, and it's the future. It's the next big thing. You know, the future for Casper is looking very, very bright, right? How can you not be bullish? We're seeing what's happening right now, okay? You know, Casper's still developing, right? It's being tested right now, you know, 10 blocks per second, okay? It's going smoothly, okay? With testnet 11, so that's good. We're seeing tier 1 listings, right? Soon enough, Binance, okay, they are teasing us. They're going to list Casper, right? Like, the future's looking bright for Casper, right? It really, really is. We're still so early into Casper. Wish you a great day, buddy. Thank you. Going to work, earning some money to put into Casper. I like that. I respect the grind. You're doing something amazing. For sure. Can you please do a video about the meme coins you're going to buy? Yes, I will. Guys, majority of the time, anything that I'm buying, like anything in crypto, I pretty much record it. Majority of the time, not all the time. So I will do that for sure if you want me to. I will for sure do that. Will Casper reach 13 cents in the next few hours? Probably. It's looking pretty strong right now. And it's not too far off to 13 cents. It really isn't. I'm holding long term. I mean, at $10, would that be the top, or could it really pump in, say, the next 6 to 7 years? No, $10 is not going to be the top. Casper's going to go much higher than that. Like, easily, right? Understand, guys. Okay, the next bull market, right? What, 2029? Okay, we're gonna see Casper reaching a couple of dollars. It's gonna be for sure in that price range of a couple of dollars. You know, who knows? $4, $5, $6, somewhere around there. Okay, maybe even $10. It's very possible for Casper to reach $10 in the next bull market. Okay, but understand, $10 is not the top. It's gonna go much higher than that. Like in the next over 10 years, 15 years, yeah, you know, we're gonna see Casper, you know, $20, right? I already made a video talking about Casper reaching $20. So if you haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But I really do believe that Casper's going to go much higher than $10 easily. $10 is not going to be the top for sure. I was in Dubai 1 month ago. I am depressed since I came back to Ireland. I would like to move one day too. Yes. I mean, if you like Dubai, I would probably love Dubai. I know it's the best place to live. I feel like because it's just freedom there, right? Think about it. It's tax free. It's safe there, right? And if you're in Bitcoin and crypto, okay, you can use your crypto assets to buy things there, which is insane. Like it's like legal tender there. You know what I mean? Like they accept crypto. A lot of companies out there accept crypto, right? So you can buy cars there, you can buy watches and property with Bitcoin and crypto in Dubai. Just think about that. So it makes sense. That's why you see a lot of people that are in crypto moving to the UAE, right? In Dubai. So it just makes sense. So I think it just makes sense for me to move there for sure. And any of you guys that are in crypto, I think you guys should really look into it, because understand, in Dubai, like, there's a lot of crypto conferences. There's a lot of them, right? Crypto meetings, crypto conferences, there's a lot of that, right? So I would love to go to a crypto conference in Dubai. Price prediction from Binance to 2047 is around $700,000. If you're talking about Casper reaching $700 to $1,000, no, that's not going to happen. Sorry to say. As much as I am bullish on Casper, that's not going to happen. What is profit book price? I have no idea what that is. What is that? I have a lady's meme. I'm waiting for her to grow well. I'll sell her all and buy more Casper and everything. Okay. Okay, okay. All right, let's see. Casper's still going up. 15-minute time frame, still looking pretty good. When will be Binance listing for Casper? Soon, right? Hopefully, with Binance talking about, what blockchain will solve the trilemma, right? They might be talking about Casper here, right? And if you guys look at the threads on X on that post, everyone's just talking about Casper, right? Pretty much everyone, not everyone, but majority of people are talking about Casper. So there's a huge rumor that Binance will be listing Casper soon. Okay, very soon. Sometime next year in 2025, this year, this bull market, yes, we will potentially see Binance listing Casper. It is very possible. But again, guys, like I said, okay, it's not 100% confirmed. Okay. But, I think they are talking about Casper, right? Because Casper solves the trilemma. CZ had a good post yesterday too, or did he? I don't think I've seen it. Let's have a look here. Do I see it? I don't see it. Is it this? No, it's not this. Strategic reserves are holders. No, it's not that. I have no idea which post he did, but I cannot see it. Can we expect 60 cents dollars for this bull run? Yes. I think that's possible. Like I told you guys, okay, my most bearish price for Casper is 60 cents. Above 60 cents. So 65 cents, 67 cents. I think that's possible for Casper. And the base case is like $1 to $1.50. And my most bullish scenario for Casper this bull run is like $2.50 to $3. So I do think Casper can for sure reach 60 cents. And that's going to be the most bearish case for Casper, right? The most bearish scenario. So I think it's possible. So what in your opinion is top price appreciated? Casper, this bull run, I think $2.50 to $3. Like I told you guys, right? $2.50 to $3 for Casper this bull run. I think that's very possible. That's my most bullish scenario. What is bullish scenario? My bullish scenario for Casper is $2.50 to $3, right? That's where I think the top will be for Casper before it goes down, because we know we're going to enter the bear market. So we know Bitcoin and altcoins will drop a lot. Oh. I'm pretty sure all of us believe Casper can reach $1 this bull run. Like, if you guys are in Casper, I'm pretty sure you guys can all agree that we will see Casper reaching at least $1 and higher this bull run alone. What about Chill Guy? Chill Guy, he's chilling. He's not doing anything. He's just chilling. I don't know if he's gonna make a move, but he's just chilling right now. Up 4% today, not bad. Almost 5%. Wow, for the week it's down almost 40%. And for the month, it is down over 60%. Yeah, this guy is just chilling. This guy is not doing anything. Will he do anything this bull run? Maybe. CZ's post was 4 hours ago. Oh, here we go. So for which I had bought Bitcoin to. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo. Is he talking about Casper here, guys? Is CZ talking about Casper right over here? Have you ever thought to yourself, I wish I had bought Bitcoins early, bought the dip, held, learn about the crypto early, no FUD. That's huge, right? We need to know FUD. But when the opportunity presents itself again, we act. Today is earlier than all the days to come. Not financial advice. Is he talking about Casper? Oh, probably. Let me retweet this. I'll probably make a separate video talking about this. Wasn't CZ in jail at one point, like a couple months ago? And now he's free, I'm guessing, right? Yeah, that's crazy. Yes, yeah, that is crazy. He's now a free man, which is good. We need CZ in this crypto space, guys, for sure. Alright, do you guys have any more questions? Let me know before I end the stream. Chill Guy is chilling. Casper's up over 13% though, looking pretty good. It may reach back up to 13 cents by tonight. End of the day for sure. Have a great day, you too, Adam. Thank you for joining today's stream and for the support. I appreciate you for sure. Let's go, Casper. Yes. Shout out to the Philippines. A lot of you guys from the Philippines. I feel like I have a fair few like viewers from the Philippines. So shout out to the Philippines. I really want to visit the Philippines one day for sure. I never been to the Philippines, but I do one day. Adam's from the US. Great to know. How many Caspers in your portfolio? I really don't want to like share that info with you guys, but I will give you guys an estimate. It's over 50,000. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. I'm trying to keep it hush over here. And honestly, I don't have hundreds and thousands of Casper coins like you guys. I feel like a lot of you guys own way more Casper coins than me. That's a good count. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. I mean, I'm gonna buy more. And I'm just gonna be simply holding it because I know where Casper's heading long term, right? It's a long term play. So I'm just gonna be simply holding it. Is that a dolphin or a shark? I'm holding 3,000. That's a good start. Not bad. Good for you. Just remember to DCA and hold your positions for Casper. No financial advice, of course. Always, do your own research. Is pump 22 cents King Casper? Yes. When Casper does reach 22 cents, it will be king because that's gonna put Casper at a new high. Dolphin starts at 100,000. Yeah, I'm almost there. I'm letting you know now. Okay, I'm almost there, Adam, at 100,000 Casper. Sharks at 1 million. Whoa, that is a lot. 1 million Casper coins. One day, hopefully. That's the goal. 1 million Casper coins. And if you guys like have hundreds and thousands of Casper coins, just understand in the future, okay, you will be sitting on a fortune. Like if you're gonna be simply holding majority of those coins on Casper, you're gonna be sitting on a fortune for sure. I'm letting you know that right now. Fish back here, hoping for dolphin. We all start somewhere, so that's fine, right? And hey, we're all early into Casper. We're still in the early stages of Casper. Bought only $20 at just below 11 cents. To my holdings, slightly regret buying $100. Hey, that's fine. It's better than zero. All right. Casper up 13.6%. It's about to go up to 14%. Yeah, Casper's moving. I really do believe in the next few hours we might actually see Casper hit 13 cents. Like if Casper can keep up with this pace of what it's doing right now, I think 13 cents is for sure gonna happen for Casper. Like it's not too far from it right now. Oh. I think it's possible. I think we're gonna see Casper reaching 13 cents soon. It's only like 2% away. That is not too far off. Yeah, Casper's gonna reach 13 cents very, very soon. Hope you guys are ready for that, because it's gonna happen. Up almost 14%, guys, for Casper right now. Pretty good. Looking pretty good for Casper. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do something. I realized. One sec. I'm gonna buy $10 worth of Casper to join you guys. Whoever just said that they bought $10 worth of Casper yesterday, I'll do the exact same thing right now. Alright, so we're on CoinSpot. And I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Casper. Can I do it on markets? No, I can't. I wish I could. Okay. Casper. 13% today. This is harsh. Alright, $11. I'll be getting 53 Casper. Let's buy. There we go. I just bought some more Casper. $11 worth. You guys motivated me. Whoever bought $10 worth of Casper, you just motivated me to buy more. Jay says here, do you do future trading on Casper or just invest? I just invest, bro. I don't do future tradings or anything like that. I don't really trade at all. JCass, oh, good to see you on here. I was just mentioning about you, actually. There's a video that's about to be uploaded. Okay, I already, made a video talking about, Christian's thread. Okay, about that post about how Jonathan might be, Satoshi, right? The creator of Casper might be Satoshi Nakamoto. I already made a video talking about that, so keep a lookout because in the next few hours, that video will be uploaded in the next 2 to 3 hours. So stay tuned for that video. And I did shout you out, JCast, in that video because if it wasn't for you showing me that information in yesterday's stream, then I would not have made that video because that's a crazy theory that the creator of Casper is the creator of Bitcoin, right? Satoshi Nakamoto. And remember, guys, these are just theories, okay? It's not, obviously it's not 100% confirmed that Jonathan is Satoshi, right? The creator of Casper is Satoshi, okay? But it's just a crazy theory because Casper works so much like Bitcoin in a way, right? But it's just so unique. Instead of a blockchain, it has like ghost tags, right? Things like that. That's why I'm very bullish on Casper. But yes, I did make a separate video talking about that, JCast. So keep a lookout for that video. And it should be uploaded very, very soon. Alright, Casper, 13.8%, coming up to 14%, looking pretty good. Just bought 2,000 Casper now. What do you think of Core? No, I have no idea what that is. Bitcoin's highest store stake. Never heard of it, sorry. Bro, at what point we should take our profit and from that profit buying again in the dip? It's really up to you. It's really hard to say. Like if we do see, Casper pumping up to the upside, for example, okay? Like as you would, DCA in, you want to DCA out. So, if Casper were to, pump, let's just say, okay, it reaches these levels and it starts pumping. Wait, let's have a look here. Let me just zoom out. Right, let's just say Casper pumps, okay. As you would, right, when it starts pumping, you just want to take some profits. Okay, every time it pumps to a new high, to a new price target, you just want to DCA out, right? That's just simply how I would do it. And the thing is, guys, like I don't want to like take a lot of my profits from Casper because I understand Casper right now. Okay, I understand like for the longest time it was at like 10 cents, 11 cents, and I bought a lot of my Casper at those levels. And understand when we do see Casper reaching a dollar and higher, right? We're probably never gonna see Casper dropping back down to 11 cents, right? So that's why I want to hold majority of it. That's just personally me, and I know Casper's a great long term investment, not financial advice. Did you see that picture of Jonathan sitting in the airport in that same pose as the Bitcoin statue side by side with the statue? Oh, no, I did not. Where is it? Is it on X? Because I did not see it. It sounds pretty interesting though. Wow, this is amazing. Cool. Looking forward to it. Have you thought about creating your own free Discord so we can start a community and share Casper news, and for etc. Yes, I will do that. JCass, I will do that. I believe like this was actually like 2 years ago. I actually made a Discord community like chat, but not much people are in it, and it's dead right now. So I will make a new one, and yeah, you guys can join it. So good idea, JCass. I will do that for sure. That's a good idea, actually. That's the best strategy: DCA in and DCA out. Yes, it's that simple. As you would DCA in, you just want to DCA out, right? Take a little bit off the table. That's just how I see it. It's really simple. Yeah, it's there. Oh, okay. I'll have a look at it after. Who posted it? What is the X name? Or what is that at? So I can like look for it. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end today's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for joining today's stream. But yeah, Casper's moving. Look at this. 14 point. Wow, it's up 14% right now. Casper's moving. Let's have a look here before I end today's stream. It's moving. Holy. Yup, it's gonna reach 13 cents. Look at that. It's not too far off now. It's about to reach back up to 13 cents, guys. It's not too far off. 1% away. Yeah, Casper's gonna reach 13 cents for sure soon. It's up almost 15%, guys, for Casper right now. That is insane. Looking amazing for Casper. But guys, yes, bro, we'll definitely be joining that Discord. How much cash do you own? Estimate like over 50,000. That's what I'm gonna say. I just want to give you the rough estimate. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining today's stream. I truly do appreciate all you guys. Cass was moving today, as I told you guys yesterday's stream, even in yesterday's video. I told you guys that Casper would be moving, and look at it. Right today, it's up 15%. It was up 10%, and now it's up 15%. So it's pumping even more. And yes, it's gonna reach 13 cents very very soon. You guys can clearly see that it's not too far off from 13 cents. It's like 1% away. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. I truly do appreciate every single one of you guys. The support lately has been absolutely amazing, right, on my YouTube, even on my social media, on Instagram, even on X, right? I appreciate all you guys for, liking my post, even giving me a follow on my social media. So I appreciate all you guys. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. More videos will be coming your way on Casper, right? And just crypto in general, Bitcoin. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are in fact, in the crypto space, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate that. And on that, guys, thank you guys so much for joining. Okay. And yeah, I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.